What's up, guys? I don't know what to use, this or the iPhone. I just went with the iPhone. Anyways, I finally got my package. I think it's 4 or 5 Zippos that I got from a website. Not the Zippo website, some different one. We're getting for cheap prices. So yeah, I'm trying to unbox this using this knife that I got. It's like Cantana or some shit. Anyways, let's get to these. Trying to put this shit with one hand. Hold up. Sorry about that. Trying to unbox this shit. It's fucking hard. It's like fucking. It's 2 in the morning right now. So here it is. They got here on the 9th. On the 10th. They got here on the 10th. But I'm just opening it now. On the 11th. 2 a.m. This is a fucking receipt, I guess. So yeah. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Let's take them out one by one. Here's one of them. Zippo box, shiny red flame. This one is Buddha, the one I've been waiting for, the one I was excited for. The numbers are 21195. If you're trying to get that one. Oh yeah. Second one, Zippo. This one's called Yellow Dragon. 218. Yo, there's the second one. PS2 controller. Here's the third one. Little Trevco Yin Yang Dragon. 218. Little Trevco Dragon Smoke. Dragon Smoke. Yeah, this is the last one. Damn, I got fucking 5. Oh. Total's like $116. Trevco Oriental Dragon. 21063 numbers. I'm gonna unbox only 2 of them, and the other ones I'm gonna do it individually, or all 3 of them at one time. But those will be in a different video. Yellow Dragon and Buddha. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that Buddha one, dude. It looks tight. I'm happy I got this one. Zippo. It's like $31. I'm not sure how much the original price was, but wow. Look at this. It's awesome. There's an emblem. Brand new. It has like brownish. Well, I think it is brown. I'm not sure. Has like scratch marks. I'm not sure what you call that. It was made. Sorry about that. It was made this year. J13. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, J13. You can see the J, not the 13 though. Maybe. But yeah, Zippo. Can't wait to use this one. Awesome. I like it. I'm happy with that purchase. Here's a warranty, like always. Here's the one we open. Here's the second one. Dun-dun-dun. Yellow Dragon. Oh, I can't wait to open this one. I want to see it for myself. Oh my god. This is, black matte. It's like paint. I'm not sure if it was paint, but it's paint. You could kind of feel it. Hold on, let me see. Cause I'm a little bit shaky. Yep. That one's cool. $27.95. It's a dragon. You can see the head right there. Yep. It's awesome. Right here, it looks like you can't really tell how yellow it is. It's yellow, but it's shiny too. So it's black matte. All around, except for the bottom. Brass, I guess. But yeah, it's yellow. It's more. It's like shiny. But yeah, black matte and a shiny paint right there. I forgot how much I got these for. This was made H13. I don't really know those things yet. The fucking months, but yeah, it's H13 Zippo. See, these are I'm only gonna unbox two of them. This one and the Buddha. This is like the dragon series, because the other ones are dragons. Only this one is not a dragon, obviously. But yeah, those two right there. I'm gonna unbox those three. I'm gonna unbox those three next time. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want. And thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon.